What is word of God?
The word of God compared with gold. Psalms chapter 19th, 10th verse. The word of God compared with honey. Psalms 119th chapter and 103rd verse. The word of God compared with lamb. Psalms chapter 119th and 105th verse. The word of God compared with light. Psalms 119th chapter and 105th verse. The word of God compared with sword. Hebrews 4th chapter 12th verse. The word of God compared with snow. Isaiah 55 chapter 10th verse. The word of God compared with fire. Jeremiah 23 chapter 29th verse. The word of God compared with hammer. Jeremiah 23 verse 23 chapter 29th verse. The word of God compared with food. Deuteronomy 8th chapter and 3rd verse. The word of God compared with seed. Luke 8th chapter and 11th verse. The word of God compared with water. Isaiah 55 chapter and 10th verse. The word of God compared with sword of spirit. Ephesians chapter 6th and 17th verse. The word of God compared with mirror. James chapter 1st and 23 verse. The word of God compared with milk. First Peter chapter 2nd, 3rd verse.